Hello guys, welcome back to my channel on daily problem solving. Once again, thank you guys for subscribing my channel and viewing my videos and from Padhenge to Badhenge in Maths Mastery. This is my last session in linear equation. After that, we'll go to BODMAS rule. So linear equation question. First question, 3 bracket 2x minus 5 by 3 minus 2x plus t 1 by 2 equal to 5. Step 1. S1 is step 1. 3 to just 6 plus minus 3 into 3 by 5. Okay, so minus 2x plus minus 2 1 2 I have written. Okay, so this 3 goes. Okay, 6x minus 5. This minus 2x it come over here minus. Okay, so minus 1 is there, minus 1 equal to 5. 6x, this 6x minus 2x is equal to 4x minus 1 minus 1. Okay, minus plus. Okay, that is proved in my previous session also, the theorem. 4x minus 6 equal to 5. This minus goes here, it comes plus 5 plus 6. So 4x is equal to 11, x equal to 11 by 4 is the answer. Our next question is x minus 3 by 4 plus 2x plus 1 by 6 equal to 5x minus 7 by 12. Okay, this is going to be very lengthy and very shortcut. I'll prepare the shortcut so that you can understand. The answer will be in the step-by-step format. First is that step is that we will take out the LCM. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. So 4 and 6 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 3 over here x minus 3. 6 2s are 12 plus 2 bracket 2x plus 1 is equal to 5x minus 7 by 12. So this 12 and this 12 gets cancelled. Okay, because it has a same numerator and denominator. Okay, denominator is same. Okay, this is numerator and this is denominator. If you want to learn numerator and denominator, I have shown a long video how it is and how it can be worked. Step 2, we will open the bracket. 3x 3 3 is 9, 2 2 is 4 plus 2. Okay, equal to 5x minus 7. Now we'll arrange, simplify it. Okay, 3x plus 4x is 7. Minus 9 minus 2 minus 7 is equal to 5x minus 7. 7x minus 7 is equal to 5x minus 7. This 5x plus 5x comes here over here. This is minus 2x. 7x minus 5, 2x. Minus 7, this goes over here. It becomes plus 7. 2x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 because anything divided by 0 is 0. That is the basic of that multiplication, division and all. Okay, that I have shown in my previous video. That's all for guys for this whole session for linear equation. My next section will start. Okay, it will be on BODMAS rule. Okay, BODMAS. What is BODMAS? Bracket of division, multiply, addition, subtraction. Things will be lengthy but I'll be solving some 2 to 3 session in BODMAS and then we'll move to some next session. That's all guys. Thank you for watching my videos and do like my channel and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you guys.